Hey guys, today I'm gonna be doing a press-on nail set on my sister, and I left 2 fingers to show you guys what I'm doing. And the nails that I'm gonna be using is from this brand called Reyna Rose. I think that's how you pronounce it. And they were so kindly enough to gift me these, and I was able to pick out 2 packs of press-on nails. And here are the 2 packs. This one is the one that I used. So I've already opened them. So they're halfway used. So here's a set. And both sets came in a bag like this with nail strips, a file, 2 glues, and alcohol pads, I think they are. So this is what they both came in. And then here's the other set, and it had the sleeve. And then here's the other set of nails that I picked out. So they're both really cute. And so the main set is this one, but so I already did her one hand and started her left hand. And so what I noticed with these nail tips is that they don't have enough of the bigger size nails, and they have a lot of these tinier ones that don't even fit the pinkies or anything. So they really need to get sizes that fit the middle and the ring finger more, because I had a hard time fitting any nails, and she doesn't have really big fingernails or anything. So these do really run super small, and there's lots of these tiny ones. So they don't fit anybody. They're almost like childlike size. So is what I had to do is use 2 of these from this other set to fit on her pointer finger, because there was not any that fit from the butterfly set. So I think they definitely need to add a few bigger sizes. All right, so here are the nails that I'm using. So this is the one that we had to get out of the other set. She didn't really want to use these, but we're going to make them work. So anyway, so I'm going to show y'all how I put these together. All right, so is what I did is I prepped her fingers and filed to get the shine off. And then for my prep, I used the Moravan Nail Prep Dehydrator. And then for the primer, I used my Nail Couture primer. So, Yeah. The Nail Couture one. So is what I'll do is put the dehydrator. Oh, I forgot one more step. I saved it to show you guys. The file. So is what I did. I used the file that it came with out of the pack. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. But I've already pushed back her cuticles and wiped any dust off. And now I'm filing to help with them to stick. And then I'll take a little alcohol. I'll have some alcohol in this bottle. And then I'm just going to wipe off the dust. And now I'm going to do my little prep. So now I'm going to use the dehydrator and dehydrate the nails to dry them up. Dang, dog. That's thirsty boy. If y'all hear that noise in the background, that's my dog drinking up loudly. All right, so we did the dehydrator, and now we'll put on the primer. And this is the primer. It's really good. I've used it a few times, and it's really helped with lifting. So I'm going to add that on there. There's a little hair. So far I really like the Couture primer. And it's a fairly good price. And I like to use it twice. And this helps the nails stick on better. Helps with lifting. Alright, and now I will show you how I glue the press-on nails. Now I'm not going to use any of the glue or the nail strips that it came with, nail glue strips or whatever they're called. So what I'm going to use is the AB gel, I guess is what it's called, and this is their base coat. So this is what I'll be using to adhere the nails on. So what I'll do is just put a thin amount on the actual natural nail. And then she'll put her fingers into the lamp for 30 seconds. And then I'll put the press-on nails on using this gel. And I did the exact same things. All right, go ahead and throw that in. 30 seconds. And I did that with these 1, 2, 3 Go nails from Couture that I have on. And I've had these on, as of tomorrow, will be exactly 3 weeks. And this is what I used. And the Couture primer, and it did fantastic. These bitches ain't coming off. I'm in the process of trying to pry these off. And I haven't worked on this hand yet, because I want to try out my new nail tips that I got from Glitter Planet. So, anyway, so with these other ones, they're different shaped. With the ones that she didn't really want to use, but we had to because none of them fit. So, is what I did, and they're almond shaped. So, is what I did is flip it around, and then it'll be squared. So, it'll pretty much match up. All right, so we're going to do her pointer finger. And I just dipped into the base gel. And I wipe, here, I'll do it again. So what I do is I get it on the brush, then I wipe off one side, and then I have like a little glob. And is what I do is place it at the end, like so, and get a little glob of it on the nail at the tip of it. And then flip it around. And then I'll place it on. Try not to get your thumb on that because it'll get hair on it, because it's fuzzy or sticky, I meant. Alright, so then you put a glob of base gel, and then if you get any on the skin, try to wipe it off. And then I will flash cure it, but make sure it's on straight. And here's my flashy lamp from Couture. And why is it not working? We just used it. Oh, there it is. That's weird. So now, got it on, and I'm going to flash cure it. I'm going to hold it on there for, I don't know, 10, 20 seconds or so. And this is no editing. These are the steps and how long it's taken. So, I really think these press-on nails from Reyna Rose are super cute. I love the packaging. It's gorgeous. And I love all the goodies that it comes with. But the thing that needs to be worked on is maybe providing a little bigger of nails. And so yeah, they need to have bigger ones to fit, because there was lots of little tiny ones. Other than that, it's a great little set, and it's perfect for somebody that likes the shorter length. So we're just doing a quick flash cure. And then we're going to do the thumb. And I'm going to do the same steps. And I'm just going to plop a little. I'm going to add a little bit more because it's the thumb. So you just put a glob on like that. and then place it on. And if you get any on the skin, just try to wipe it off. But I do think these are super cute and easy to use. Maybe I added a little too much. All right, let me flash cure it. You're fine if you need to cough. I love the color of these ones. I'm not sure of the color or anything because I don't think that it has a name to them. Oops. Just making sure it wasn't on our skin. And then after we flash cure these, she'll stick them in the bigger light for 60 seconds. There you can see a little better. So I'm just going to move my finger back so we can get a little better. Sometimes I just lay it exactly on the nail like that so it gets a better flash cure. And now that it's secure, she's going to go ahead and you can flash cure it or do 60 seconds. And that is it. So you just prep it and put your base coat. Let me see this hand. And I'm going to go ahead and show you the hand that is completely done. And here are what the nails look like. They're super pretty and cute. They're perfect length, not too long or anything, because she doesn't like her nails long. And I love the little beautiful butterfly charms. How cute is that? I love the, it's like the, I guess the ombre look, and they're squared. And then here is the other one from the other set, which was almond, but that side looks a little squared. So is what I'm going to do off camera is square this up a little more so it looks more squared. That way it doesn't look too off. So I really like these nails. They're very pretty and cute. And I think these are about 10 bucks for the whole kit. And I'm going to show you these real quick. You're fine. And so here's what these two sets of press-on nails look like. And it comes with all these, and it comes in a pack together. And here is the brand, Reyna Rose. So go check them out. They're very cute. And they also sell nail strips. Oh, where are the nail strips? They also sent me nail strips, but I don't see where they're at. And I may do a video on that. I'm not sure. But I really enjoy the press-on nails, and I love the case and everything. So, yeah, the only negative thing I have to say about these press-on nails is that they do not provide big enough nail tips at all. So they definitely need to work on that. Other than that, they're great. Good price for this whole little kit. And I love the storage box. And you just pop it open. It's beautiful. So yeah, I like it. And thank you, Reyna Rose, for kindly gifting me these and giving me a chance. So yeah, go ahead and show the final results. And here are both of her nails. Look how cute they are. They turned out really good. And it's perfect length for someone starting out wearing nails. Any of that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you next time. Let me know down below if you've tried this brand out or not. And go check them out. They got really cute stuff on there. And I also think they have subscription bags as well, from what I've heard. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.